Who do you think alchemists are? Magicians? Wizards? Crazy nerds? Well, drop every stereotype and mannerism of what you think alchemy is, because we're going to teach you the truth. Alchemists are not just crazy magicians who like to blow things up. They're scientists who are dedicated to their goal and had their own mostly legit methods. So what is alchemy? Alchemy is a way of thinking philosophically about things by changing them. Alchemists published their works, sometimes in secret codes known as decknamen, so that people other than their friends wouldn't be able to understand the true meaning. There are many people in the past who have influenced alchemy, including individuals and groups of people. Taoist monks developed alchemy independently in China. Around the same time, the Indians invented steel and realized the importance of flame color in the identification of metals. An Arabian alchemist named Geber distilled strong acid from vinegar and believed that all metals were made up of mercury and sulfur. One of the last well-known alchemists was the English scientist Isaac Newton. The inspiration for his work on light and gravity came from his obsession with alchemy. A couple goals that alchemists had were to find the elixir of life and to create or to find the philosopher's stone. Transmutation was also one of the main goals that alchemists had, which is changing basic metals into gold. The alchemists separated the metals into two different groups, noble and base. The noble group includes gold and silver, and the basic group includes mercury, copper, iron, tin, and lead. Alchemical metals are not compounds, but alchemists often misunderstood them as compounds because the metals change colors when they're heated up. Even though alchemists didn't achieve their goal, their process and research took part in the development of many things, such as basic metallurgy, metalworking, gunpowder, ceramics, the production of inks, dyes, paints, and cosmetics, leather tanning, and the preparation of extracts, liquors, and medicines. They also made many chemical discoveries, such as the conceptualization of chemical elements into the first periodic tables, the introduction of the process of distillation to Western Europe, the describing of the preparation of aqua regia, also known as royal water, which is a mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, which can dissolve gold, and the discovery of arsenic. Alchemists had both the desire to understand and to control nature. They wanted to understand if it was possible to turn basic metals into gold, and if so, how. If they were successful, they would have created a problematic imbalance in the natural system. The chemistry they were doing was used to create new products and in a way to benefit society. Alchemists' ultimate goal was to turn basic metal into gold, which is considered creating a new product, and if they were successful, they would have brought wealth to themselves, which would also be an indirect benefit for society. Even though alchemists didn't really understand or use chemistry as we know it, they discovered many things along the way, which directly influenced modern chemistry by teaching us what not to do and discovering new methods. Alchemists conceptualized chemical elements into the first rudimentary periodic table. Alchemy helped to improve the study of metallurgy, developed a more systematic approach to research, influenced the formation of Newton's theory of gravity, and many more, such as the discovery of sulfuric acid by Geber around the 1300s, which is the fifth most used substance in the chemical industry today. Chinese alchemists invented gunpowder in the 9th century, and Indian alchemists contributed to metallurgy by making high-quality carbon steel between 300 and 200 BC. So this is an introduction to making alchemy. Hope you enjoyed our presentation, everybody.